Hello. So the first thing we did was connect our database to our Mongo shell, which is what you would see right here. And then I did ask it to show us our databases just to make sure that the sales DB database was still there. And then after that, I just went right into it and inserted our new values that we were given into the orders collection. And then first I did it incorrectly, which it gave me this error. And then after that, I went right ahead and redid it this way, and that's when it finally worked. So without doing it, the salespeople in parentheses and having it in front of, my specified object. And then I knew that it worked because it gave me that it acknowledged one new document and that it inserted it into this new object ID. And then, so as we could come and see over here, that was inserted into our database properly. And this is all the given information we gave it, so that looks good. And then over here I wanted to use and try out an update command. So I went right ahead. I said I just wanted to update one. So the previous entry we just entered in to our collection, which was the S num of 1999, and then I wanted to set the commission instead of being 0.25, I want it to be 0.22. And then it also acknowledged this change right here, changed one document, and it did not insert ID, and it matched one of the files. So over here, we're going to go right ahead and check if it's going to change. I still haven't updated this page. So hopefully it will change to 0.22 for the commission. And as you can see, it did work because our commission changed from 0.25 to 0.22. That is how you properly use the update one command within a Mongo shell.